Hardwood logs information. Hardwood logs refer to logs that are made from deciduous trees that have broad leaves and lose their leaves annually, as opposed to evergreen coniferous trees. Hardwoods are denser and more durable than softwoods, which are typically less dense and faster growing coniferous trees. Here are some general information about hardwood logs. Hardwood logs are often used for furniture making, flooring, and other high-quality wood products. Some popular hardwood species include oak, maple, ash, cherry, and walnut. Hardwood logs are typically more expensive than softwood logs because they take longer to grow, require more maintenance, and have a higher density. The density of hardwood logs makes them ideal for use as fuel, as they burn hotter and longer than softwoods. They are often used in wood-burning stoves and fireplaces. The moisture content of hardwood logs is important when using them for fuel. Green, freshly cut, hardwood logs have a high moisture content and do not burn as efficiently as seasoned hardwood logs, which have been allowed to dry out for at least 6 months. When purchasing hardwood logs, it's important to consider factors like the species of the tree, the moisture content, the size and shape of the logs, and whether they have been properly seasoned. Some suppliers may also offer kiln-dried hardwood logs, which have been dried in a special oven to reduce their moisture content even further.